how to add paper money to your Cash App. Hello guys, this is Atticus from App Hacks, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how you can add paper money to your Cash App. Now you heard this right, you can add paper money, that is your paper money that you usually use in your Cash App. So let's get started. So first things first, you'll need to open up your Cash App. After you do that, you'll need to search the ways where you can add money. That is, tap on add cash, and there you will see an option that says paper money. So first, after you do that, you'll need to search for a location. So here is the information right here under Cash App's official site. These are the locations where you can make the deposit. Now after you select the location, here as you can see on the Cash App's official site too, you'll need to tap on banking, tap on your Cash App home screen, select paper money, and find a location near you and use the search bar as an address. Now after you do that, what you'll need to do is, after you find the location, you'll need to just take your money and go to the deposit location. After you're there, you'll just need to bring your phone to the location, and you'll need to ask the cashier to deposit the money. Now you'll have to tap on show barcode option on your Cash App, and after you tap on show barcode, you'll need to ask the cashier to scan the barcode, and after they scan, you'll need to pay them your cash money, and they will just give you back that is, they will just put the money in your Cash App. And that is basically how you do this transaction, guys, and that is all for the video too. Thanks for watching.